Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, again we are taking up chapter 5 of business studies of class 12, that is organizing. In my previous two videos, we had discussed about two types of organizational structure, that is functional structure and divisional structure. Now, in this video, we will learn about difference between functional structure and divisional structure. So, here we begin. First base for difference is meaning. Functional structure. It is an organizational structure formed by grouping of jobs of similar nature under various functional departments. It is created by the organization by grouping jobs of similar nature under various functional departments, right? Divisional structure is an organization structure comprising of separate business units or divisions. In divisional structure, there are different divisions of the business or different business units. Second, formation. Functional structure is based on functions like production department, sale department, purchase department. It means departments are made on the basis of functions. Divisional structure is based upon product lines and is supported by functions. It means in this structure, departments are created on the basis of products like soap department, cream department, detergent department, like this. Okay. Third, specialization. Both structures bring specialization to the organization, but what kind of specialization? So, functional structure involves functional specialization because an employee is doing same function again and again, like function relating to production or activities related to sale, activities related to marketing, like this. In divisional structure, it brings product specialization. It means when employee is dealing in same product at different times repeatedly, it brings product specialization in the organization, right? Fourth point, responsibility. In functional structure, if organization is unable to achieve its objective, then it is difficult to fix responsibility on any one department because any department can blame to any other department. But in divisional structure, each department is responsible for its own performance, so it is easy to fix responsibility for performance, right? Managerial development. In functional structure, managerial development is difficult as each functional manager has to report to manager, because here employees are working in different departments which are based on functions, and we hire functional experts, so they cannot be promoted to higher level posts. But in divisional structure, because a divisional manager is holding the responsibility for the full department, for all activities of his or her department, it means he has a vast experience, so that person can be promoted to a higher level post, right? Cost involved. In functional structure, because functions are not duplicated, efforts are not duplicated, so it is economical for the organization. But in divisional structure, same activities are repeated in different departments for different products, so it is costly for the organization. And last one is coordination. In case of a multi-product company, if we are adopting functional structure, then it is difficult to coordinate the activities of different departments. And in divisional structure, because functions related to one product are performed in that single department only, it means all activities of that department can be easily coordinated. So we can say it is easy to establish coordination in divisional structure. So students, these are some points which highlight difference between functional and divisional structure. So that's all for today's video. Thank you and have a nice day.